We want to start by giving a big thank you to Kickstarter. Meet the No-Towel, a patented sleeping solution that allows you to sleep anywhere, anytime. The rugged functionality and diverse adaptability allows the No-Towel to be installed in minutes with no modifications to your vehicle. The compact design expands from its compressed form into a large sleeping surface with ease. Once you have your system all set up, just climb in, relax, and make yourself at home. Gone are the days where sleeping in your car is uncomfortable. The design of the No-Towel is lightweight, making it convenient for anyone who wants to use it. The system surface is waterproof, durable, and impervious to anything that life may throw at it. The flexible high-density polyethylene platform bends to the shape of your body, and with the addition of your camping pad, you will feel like you're on a cloud. Got something pressing? Go from comfortable to commuting faster than ever before. The diversity of our product allows users to prepare themselves for anything from evacuation to relaxation. No-Towel is a Colorado-owned and operated company, breaking the limits of camping and adventuring as we know. For the past 1.5 years, we have been developing and perfecting every aspect of the No-Towel system for your comfort, convenience, and savings. We've created a quick and easy system that results in quality sleeping anywhere you are. This product will ease the lives of people who are frequently on the road by releasing them from the hassles and costs of hotels. With the No-Towel, you never have to stop exploring. We're ready to take our product to the next level, and we want you to join us.